Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I'm finally going to be doing my February monthly spread today. I pulled out a few things that I want to use. So these are just loose sheets from the watercolor Mambi sticker book that I thought I might use. And I pulled out some other things that I think I might use. And I kind of want to use up this sticker sheet. This is a sticker sheet that I got from a Target pack last year. I don't even know what happened to the other sticker sheets. I had more of these. I have no idea where they are. I just happened to find this loose sheet in my sticker stash. So I think I'm going to use this. And then I found these icon sticker books. So I might use that. I don't know. And then I bought these. I think I hauled these in a Target haul. I bought these from Target, obviously. And I really bought them to give out to my coworkers, but there's so many of them that I know I only have 5 coworkers, so I'm not going to use all of those. So I decided maybe I'll put one of these in my spread. I don't know. And then these stickers also came with that Valentine's Day pack, so maybe I'll use this. I don't know. We'll see. So, oh, let me show you guys the washi that I pulled out. I only pulled out a few washi rolls. This one I think I might use in my weekly. I think that's why I pulled this one out. This isn't for that. And then I just got these. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. And then there's this one. I don't know if I'm going to use this either. These two are from a Michaels pack that I got years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And this is from that Michaels box. And this is from Hobby Lobby. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm just going to do one of those fast forward videos. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. guys, that is it for this month's Plan With Me. I don't know about you guys, but I think that the grumpy cat was a nice touch. I was like, something is missing, and then I remembered I didn't put grumpy cat in here. But yeah, I overall like the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a great month, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!